guys, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm back today with my very last bead haul from my Black Friday weekend shopping. I stocked up on some really good deals while there were some great online sales going on, and one of my favorite websites, Eureka Crystal Beads, I'll put the link down below, and I'm not sponsored by them, by the way, but I just love shopping on their site. Anyway, they were running a 30% off sale, plus they were giving an additional 5% cash back, so it's kind of like getting 35% off. Anyway, I do find that they have some of the best prices on check glass beads, specifically like seed beads and other type of bead weaving check glass beads that other sites don't have. A lot of times I'll find beads in smaller quantities that are more expensive for the quantity. So I really recommend Eureka Crystal Beads if you do a lot of beading like I do, especially bead weaving. So first thing I wanted to do was I wanted to get some more metallic seed beads because I do use those the most. I didn't have any of the bronze seed beads, and so I was looking for those, and I love how Eureka has everything labeled right here, so I don't have to go back and forth to the packing list. But they were 20 grams, and you'll see here these are called metal bronze galvanized permafinish. So that's important because what the permafinish means is that it's got a special coating on it where the metallic is not going to rub off. The color is not going to rub off. This is permanent. So they've had trouble in the past where some of their, coatings, specifically the metallics, over time people would find that they would start to rub off and wear away. And with the permafinish, yes, it is a little bit more expensive, but you're not going to make something and then, several years down the road, the color's coming off. So, and these are a great brand, of course. They're Toho. And I'm not going to list every price of everything that I'm showing you today because that would take way too long. But I will say the entire haul, I spent about $100, and that was after the discount, and it was free shipping. So that's the dark bronze. These are 11.0, so I wanted to get those. And I also didn't have any of the nice silver Toho beads in the galvanized permafinish. So I got those. These are called aluminum. And again, it's a 20-gram bag, so it's a nice quantity. Something else that I really had been wanting to get for a while were some of the permafinish 15.0s and also just some basic black 15.0s because I really don't have hardly any 15.0 seed beads at all. You can see they're a little bit smaller than the 11.0s. They're tiny, in fact, and there's just certain bead weaving projects where I want to have this size. So I decided to just get the basics. I got the basic silver, gold, and black, so whatever I'm doing, I should be able to pick out one of those to go in the project for now. So I got those. These are approximately 8 to 9 grams inside of those packages. You can see how nice and uniform they are. So those were the seed beads, and then I got a strand of brick beads. I got some new shapes to play with, and I got them in jet. These are the 6x3 brick jet 2-hole beads. So they're just like little rectangles with 2 holes. So kind of basic. Then I got some honeycomb beads. So these are something I haven't played with yet, but they are also 2-hole beads, check glass, and they have that really pretty etched finish on them. So I got this metallic silver, and there's 30 pieces on there, and then I got this beautiful gold. It's called flax. It's very pretty. It's more of a toned down gold, which I really like, and 30 pieces in there. So I look forward to playing with those. Then I got some leaves that are just beautiful. So on the outside it'll tell me what these are. First one, they are 12x7 leaf green turquoise. There's 25 pieces. And I love these. I don't necessarily make beaded flowers at this point, but I love using them in necklaces as little drops on the front. I really like them. I love this size. I find that it's a really nice, easy size to work with. They're not too big and they're not too small. but this color is just beautiful. I also got this gorgeous strand of pink, and they have an AB on the front. They're called Rose Matte AB. There's 25 of those. So they're really cute. I like that color a lot. Then I got this gorgeous pack right here, and these are a Coral Picasso. So Picasso finish is always beautiful. And there's a nice look at those. So a lot of red and then a lot of olive green that kind of tones down the red. But I thought those were beautiful. So I got some more leaves, and then let's see, my crescent. So I needed some more crescents. I didn't have any in gold. I decided to get a bag of the 2-hole crescent beads. There's 20 grams in here, and this again is called Flax. That color, I really like that particular gold. And then I got the Green Opaque Ultra Luster. I think anything with that luster finish on it really stands out nicely. I had the beige luster first from my Adornable Element subscription, which got me started working with these. They actually called them Honey Drizzle, but they were also sometimes known as beige luster, beige opaque luster. And they didn't have those, but I got these, the Green Opaque Luster, and they are very similar. So they're very nice as well. Then I got a random bag of Super Duos. These again in that flax color. And I didn't have any gold Super Duos, so I decided to go ahead and get a bag of those, and there's 20 grams, so nice quantity in the bag as well. Super Duos are so fun. So then I got these light pink. These are the Cheops Par Puka 6mm 2-hole check glass beads, and you can see they have the holes running up and down through the triangle shape. So I had actually gotten these in red in one of my past Adornable Element subscriptions just a couple months ago. If you'd seen that video, you might recognize them. And I haven't played with them yet, but I do have some ideas, and because I like to come up with my own designs a lot of times, I like to have more than one color. That way I can make a couple things. If I find something I like, I can make a couple different color variations. So I did pick up this beautiful pink, and I just love that color. So I also got this bottle of Gem Duos. These are in a polychrome aqua teal color. There's 8 grams, and I do believe these were on a kind of an extra special discount. I'm not sure if it was clearance or what, but it seemed like they were very inexpensive. And I do have some of this shape too. I haven't really worked with it, but I thought the color was gorgeous, and for the price I added it to my cart. So that was that. Now for some other new shapes that I have not worked with. The first one I'll show you are these 4-hole quadratile beads. So these are Jet, the black, and then these are a Iris Bronze Metallic Matte, which are gorgeous. I have some other beads in the same color and finish. And I've seen some design ideas with these. At first I thought it would be a little bit crazy working with 4-hole beads, but I saw some ideas that kind of inspired me to try something different. So I'm curious to play with them and see how it works out. And of course, if it does, I will definitely share it with you guys. But these were just so pretty, this particular set. And then of course, black, you can't really go wrong with that. Then the next shape I got that's new to me are the quadrilentals. So you've seen me haul or receive 1 or 2-hole lentils, but I haven't played with 4-hole lentils, so that should be interesting too. Again, just like the squares, there were some things that were kind of floating through my mind that I wanted to try, and hopefully they'll work. But I got this beautiful silver color. It's very shiny. These are 20-gram bags. I got a Jet Bronze Picasso, which it's hard for the light to pick it up, but maybe if I force them in my hand, you'll be able to see more of the finish on those because it is really pretty. And I think that it is having a hard time. It's just kind of coming out as a flat color, but it's modeled just a little bit. There's that Picasso finish on it, so it gives it that kind of a little bit of a variegated or more of a stone type of look that's very pretty. And then here is the color I was trying to find in the Crescents that they didn't seem to have. These are called Opaque Luster Picasso. So sometimes you'll see them called Honey Drizzle, but I guess this was the color I was looking for in the Crescents, the Opaque Luster Picasso. It's just so pretty. So I can't wait to play around with those. Should be a lot of fun to see if that works out. And then the last shape, oh no, actually this rolled over, rolled away from me. So these I got too in that Opaque Luster Picasso. I basically was searching to see what they had in that finish because I really love it. And then I found that they had these mini daggers, which are super fun to play with as well. So I did pick those up. And then now I'll show you the last shape I got to play with. And these are in the beige opaque luster as well. I got 2-hole Checkmates triangle beads. So they have the 2 holes there at the base of the triangle. I've seen them a lot as kind of petals on a flower, that type of thing. But I got some other ideas as well with these that I would like to try out, and I did get quite a few different colors. So that was the first color. Then the next color I got is this beautiful dark forest metallic suede green. Really pretty. So this is in a little bit smaller quantity. This was a 6.5 gram bag, so it didn't cost quite as much as the 20. I also got this beautiful color. It's the rose gold topaz opaque luster, which is stunning. This is definitely a favorite, and this is a 20 gram bag, so it's beautiful. And then I got, these were called Jet Gold Sheen, and they're basically a jet black, but they've got that gold sheen just lightly kind of dusted all over the bead, so when you kind of move it around, it's like slightly shiny, and it kind of overall looks like a dark antique gold. So that's really cool. I also got this nice blue color. It's blue metallic suede. I think the metallic suedes are just gorgeous. So it should be fun. I got a nice bright red. This is just red opaque matte. So I thought that would be nice. I wanted to get a couple brighter colors to work with, not just the basics. And then back to a basic, nice metallic silver. So these were gorgeous as well. So that's it for my last Black Friday haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got again from Eureka Crystal Beads. I definitely recommend their site. As usual, the shipping was quite fast and it was free, over $35. They're always running sales. I definitely think you should sign up for their email list if you are interested in shopping with them, because they do send out special discount codes and things like that to alert you of sales and special discounts for their subscribers. So I want to thank you guys again for being with me. Please let me know down below what your favorite item is here today, if there's anything in particular that jumps out at you, or what you would like to make with any of these items. Please stay tuned for more finished jewelry updates so I can show you what I've done with these beads. That's always fun. And please stay tuned for much, much more. Appreciate you being here. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!